Welcome back, guys. Glad to have you back. And I hope you guys enjoyed the last partial overnighter that we did. We made it to about 2:30 in the morning, 3 o'clock in the foxhole. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. And we're going to be getting more overnighters in eventually. But in this video, we're doing something a little different. This is not the Survival Rig Hot Weather M2023 video. This is a subscriber unboxing here. And this comes from one of my subscribers. His YouTube channel name is Dynamic Survival. And he does like outdoor prepping, military surplus stuff, pretty much the same thing I do. And he sent me this package, and so I'm doing a video for him. So yeah, if you would guys, go ahead and give him a look up on YouTube, Dynamic Survival, and I'll put a link in the screen, and I'll also have a link in the description box for his channel. But let's go ahead and get this unboxed, and then at the end of the video, I'll kind of show you guys around of the Sky Survival studio that we're in right now. So I've been working on this today with my father. We did some more stuff, and finally get some electrical stuff done to it, but we're getting closer. So all right, let's go ahead and get this opened up. Wow. Dynamic Survival. I'm already looking in this box, and this looks awesome. Thank you. Okay. Wow, this is really neat. So we have a Ziploc bag here full of goodies. So let's go ahead and check it out here. Cut the bag. He's got this thing bomb-proof. Okay. So we have a little fire starter, a little ferro rod right there. Awesome. Check this out here. Get out and survive. Ooh. Okay, what's this here? Let me open this up. These are some dog tags. And Dynamic Survival is talking about he makes dog tags. So I thought that was really, really neat. And awesome. Sky Survival YouTuber United States, like, comment, and subscribe. Check that out, guys. I got my own personal dog tag. That is freaking awesome. I'm gonna wear that for sure. Okay. And I got Dynamic Survival's card here. Oh, so it looks like he has an eBay store. eBay store, Facebook, Dynamic Survival. So check him out on eBay as well and Facebook. That is really, that's really cool. That is awesome. What is this? Wind resistant, fire starter, water resistant, no chemicals. Made in the USA. Check that out. That, that is wicked. It looks like some type of char cloth, but it is really solid. Wind resistant fire starter, water resistant, no chemicals. Okay, so we will be doing a video with this, Josh, for sure. Dynamic Survival, First Strike Rapid Fire Starter, Tear Exposed Fibers. So there's another fire starter that Josh has made with. Awesome. Okay, we'll definitely try those out too. I really want to try this one out. That's going to be really neat. And a Mylar blanket. Those are always good to have. Many uses. So let's keep going here. I guess I'm getting ahead of myself. There's a little bit of everything in here. Okay. Okay, so I got exact same package here. We're going to save this. This one's for Mikey Survival. So, Josh, man, I bless you, man. That is really nice of you. Give one of those for Mikey, too. I really appreciate that. Okay, let's check this out here. So we got some 9-inch paracord bracelets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 8 of them. Wow. 8 paracord bracelets. That is just awesome, man. This is really neat. Dynamic, okay, so we have a fire kit, and this is made by Dynamic Survival as well. Deluxe fire kit, set outside and survive. So I think eventually we're gonna do little videos on these. Oh my gosh. This is just, I know I'm smelling stuff. We got a little mini matchbox. I've never seen them that small before. Oh man. Oh yeah. So this, okay. So we're gonna do some separate videos of this here. First aid kit, we're gonna do a separate video for that one as well. And that is everything in the box. Dynamic Survival, man. I don't know what to say, but thank you. Out of the bottom of my heart, man. That is very, very kind of you to send this stuff. I just thank you very much. That is awesome. Definitely gonna be reviewing this fire starter. I have no idea exactly what it is, but man, this stuff looks, I don't know, it just looks really cool. Guys, check out Dynamic Survival. That was very kind of them. And give them a check out. So let's go ahead and let's move on to the Scotty Survival Shed. I'll just give you guys a little glimpse of it. So as you can see, I've got pretty much all the sheeting put up. If you guys remember when we first moved in our new home, didn't have any sheeting in it. This is where I come in and put on my poncho and we do our little physical training exercises in the cold. Well, this is all sheeted now. And still got a lot of work to do yet. It's already has electric in here, but we have to rerun some more electrical wires because I'm going to have a mini split in here for AC and heat. So, but I put these shelves up here. Angel Survival helped me with that, and Angel Survival also helped me put up this shelf. This is where all my military clothing is going to go. Got my little boot sections going to be down there, and I'm just trying to utilize all the wall space that I have. But right now, this is basically what I have. I'll probably eventually end up putting a bench here, but yeah, it's all coming together pretty good. So still got a little ways to go, but I'm hoping before winter I'll have this all done and start getting my stuff moved back in here. But yeah. Well, that's all I got for this video, guys. I'm hoping to get out at least a couple more videos of the Hot Weather Survival Rig M 2023 series. And we have a little bit left of summer yet, so I'm going to try to squeeze in some more videos of that. And then in the future, I am planning on doing a cold weather survival rig series. So that's going to be a lot of fun because I love cold weather. So I think I'll have more fun doing that. But I'm trying to do summer stuff for you guys best I can. But whew, I'm not a summer guy. Big shout out to Dynamic Survival. Thank you again, Josh. I can't thank you enough. I mean, I wasn't expecting all this, but that is just awesome. So, guys, make sure you check out his channel. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your week, guys. God bless you and take care.